9 p.m. I'm alone. I know if I sleep now, I will sleep well. But if I go on that website, tomorrow will be hell. I know it. I know how it goes. Wake up, red eyes, blocked nose. I didn't sleep till 3 a.m. in the morning. I was looking at a screen. Now all day I'm yawning, feeling irritated and mean. Frustrated at myself, ready to bite, easily provoked, ready for a fight. Moving around like a zombie, it drains your energy and drive. I've not been there, but I can relate to guys who say porn wasted years of my life. Think about that porn schedule. What a waste of time. Some started at 11, now they're 41. Porn literally stole their prime. If your fight with temptation comes at night, going to sleep is one way to win. It's better than staying awake unproductive and eventually falling into sin. You were probably not planning to do anything productive at that time anyway. So don't let porn steal your night, because it will also steal your day. If your hands are empty, the devil will give you work to do. If you stay awake idle, the devil will have something for you. Before those sexual thoughts and suggestions start to fill your head, brush your teeth and go to bed. I don't mind sleeping early and waking up at 5. At least I'll wake up feeling alive, like the sun, ready to shine, not kicking myself for wasting my time. Study your life. What do you really achieve after 9? If your answer is not much, then prepare for bedtime. Some people shut down all screen activities when it gets late because they are tempted to start scrolling and the end is masturbate. Study your life. I don't know what triggers you. Be your own parent. Set your curfew. Take notes about the time temptation comes out to pick a fight. Don't try to win the argument. It's bedtime. Good night.